Got a long note and want the main points fast? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use Note Assist to summarize your note in just a few taps. First, open Note app and then select the note you want to summarize. Tap the Note Assist icon at the bottom and then tap Summarize. Next, select the text you want to summarize. You can choose select to end of next page or select maximum. As the example, we will choose select maximum to select all text within the note. After that, tap generate summary. Here you will see the result. When you tap the summary style icon, there are two styles available: standard for a quick summary or detail if you want more information. As the example, we will select detail. Tap the button to confirm your selection. If needed, you can use the available option. You can tap copy to copy it to your clipboard, replace to overwrite the original, add to if you want to move it to a new page or new note, or even translate to another language. So, given to the function, it's a smart way to clean up long note and keep the important stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.